Welcome to our series on understanding the balance sheet. Today we'll be discussing the basics of balance sheet and why it is an essential tool for every business owner. Before we dive into the details, let's start with the basics. A balance sheet is a financial statement that provides a snapshot of the company's financial position at a specific point in time. It is often used to help determine the company's liquidity, solvency, and overall financial health. A balance sheet is composed of three key components: assets, liabilities, and equity. Assets are the resources a company has at its disposal, such as cash, investment, and properties. Liabilities are the debts the company owes, such as loans and accounts payable. And equity represents the ownership interest of the shareholders of the company. The balance sheet is usually represented in a T-shaped format, with assets listed on the left side and liabilities and equity listed on the right side. It is important to know that the balance sheet must always balance, which means that the total value of assets must equal to the total value of liabilities and equity. The balance sheet equation is an important concept to understand when reading a balance sheet. It states that the company's assets must equal its liabilities plus equity. This equation is represented as assets is equal to liabilities plus equity. For example, if a company has $100,000 in cash, $50,000 in accounts receivable, and $75,000 in equipments, its assets would be $225,000. If the company has $50,000 in accounts payable and $75,000 in loans, its liabilities will be $125,000. Finally, if the company has got $100,000 in owner's equity, its equity would be $100,000. By combining the liabilities and equity, we see that the balance sheet equation always holds true. $225,000 in assets is equal to $125,000 in liabilities and $100,000 in equity. By examining the balance sheet, you can gain valuable insight into the company's financial position. For example, if the company has a lot of debts compared to the amount of money it has in the bank, this could mean that it is taking on too much debt and could have trouble paying its bills in the future. The balance sheet is an important tool for entrepreneurs and business owners because it helps them understand the financial position of their company. It provides information about what the company owns and owes, how much is left for the owners. This information is crucial for making informed business decisions, such as determining whether to invest in new equipments, expand the business, or pay dividends to the shareholders. The balance sheet also helps to identify any potential financial risks and provides a basis for comparing a company's financial performance over time. A balance sheet is more than a snapshot of a company's finances. It is also an important tool for making decisions. For example, a business owner can use the balance sheet to evaluate the working capital and determine if they need to make changes to improve their cash flow. In conclusion, the balance sheet is a critical financial statement that provides valuable information about a company's financial position. It helps entrepreneurs and business owners understand what their company owns and owes, and provides a basis for making informed business decisions. In our next video, we will dive deeper into the components of the balance sheet and how to interpret them. As a call to action, I want to invite you to take the next step in the journey by downloading our free PDF guide. This guide will give you a deeper understanding of balance sheets and the 15 key insights the entrepreneurs can gain from them. All you have to do is click the link in the description below and you will have instant access to the guide. Trust me, you don't want to miss out this opportunity and to take more informed decisions. So don't wait any longer. Click the link below and download your free guide now. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more finance and accounting tips and tricks. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.